Community giving at Atlantis extends beyond the corporate level. Recently, some of our team members were introduced to the work of the Transitional Alternative Program for Students, TAPS, a school dedicated to helping young women develop healthy coping skills and address behavioral challenges. Inspired by this mission, our employees decided to get involved.
So in speaking to the principal, Cora Cheng Hannah, she told us of a need for uniforms for the girls, and they will have uniforms for the first time. We collected and we were able to make a uniform donation today, as well as a gift certificate to Book World and stationers.
The employees came together and decided that they would make Someone's Day by pooling their resources to help the young ladies at TAP School.
We decided this year that we needed to be able to have an identity, be able to have school pride. For the past 15 years, TAPS never had a uniform. I never anticipated for us to actually be able to get this much help from Atlantis staff, whereas they are willing to partner with us in the sense of, I can assist your young ladies with uniform and then also school supplies. So we do want to say thank you once again to Atlantis staff.
Some persons are giving to this initiative before they prepared their own kids for back to school. So we want to thank them, and we also want to thank the principal for partnering with us and allowing us to be a part of their family.